Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at this nice, beautiful Kent bike, Bayside 7-speed bicycle. It's a 26-inch model. Here we go with the 7 speeds, of course, in front, if you guys can see it. Nice little handlebar, huge seats, big tires. This is made for just cruising around, not a mountain bike or anything. You put your drink in there, go by the beach, enjoy the ride. Now, if you guys see it, it's a cocoa gray black, pretty much. They come in different color, different styles, and the grips are just phenomenal little grips. They're made of course, like a silicone cover. And the seat, if you can see, right now we have chocolate brown. It's a huge, large seat. You could adjust it on the side of it. Brakes, back brakes, front brakes. You can see the corners of the actual chain where we could do the 7 speeds. This is a little kickback bike to enjoy and ride the beach, especially now that kids are staying home and got nothing to do. This is a perfect opportunity to take advantage of this and just ride the bike out there. The price right now, it's a little steep. It goes from 150 to $200. Target, Amazon, Walmart, all the big major brands carry this Kent bike styles. But this one right here reminds me of old beach cruisers to take nice to the beach and ride along. So if you can see, the tires, they look like most like mountain bikes, but this bike is not meant to be in the mountains. It's meant to be driven around and cruise. Kickstand in the back. Uh, Nice little distance. Color is gray, like I say, cocoa gray. They say that's the name of the color. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.